Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce algae as a future food. First, what is algae? Algae is a diverse group of aquatic organisms that have the ability of photosynthesis. They get energy from the sun and make their own food through photosynthesis. This provides food and shelter for different organisms, fish and wildlife, and also filters sunlight, limiting growth of plants on the bottom of lakes. The algae are not a uniform group of organisms. The term algae is a common one rather than a word that connotes a specific scientific meaning. Algae are divided into three types: green algae, red algae, and brown algae, according to the color and the depth of the sea they grow. Their phylum are Chlorophyta, Rhodophyta, and Phaeophyta, respectively. These are advantages and disadvantages of algae. Culturing algae gives us many benefits. Algae is easy to grow and doesn't take up precious land space as it's grown in water. It grows quickly and can even grow in polluted water and in places where normal food crop wouldn't survive. Algae is the most important organism on Earth as it consumes carbon dioxide and provides nearly all of Earth's oxygen which we need to breathe. However, they could be expensive when we grow them in lab because of the energy required to circulate gases and other materials inside the photobioreactors where the algae grow. And some species of algae could kill fish and cause contamination. Then let's look into chlorophyta known as green algae first. One example of chlorophyta is chlorella. Chlorella is a green microalgae that is nearly 60% protein and contains all of the essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source for vegetarians and vegans. It's also an excellent source of vitamin B, magnesium, iron, zinc, and powerful antioxidants. As you can see in the table on the right side, it contains a lot of nutrition. It is mostly common found in tablet or powder form to be used as an all-natural dietary supplement. People also use this powder when they cook. For example, superfood smoothie for morning meal that was satisfying to eat, easy to digest, and delicious. It is loaded with minerals, antioxidants, vitamins, a fiber from kale and berries, plant-based protein from chlorella, and healthy omega-3 fats from the almond and chia. Chlorella seeds bar, lemon chlorella bites, and green pistachio bar were also made of chlorella and looks tasty. The second type of algae is Rhodophyta. It is a distinctive type of species that are mostly found in freshwater lakes and are the oldest type of eukaryotic algae. They are red in color due to the presence of pigment called chlorophyll A, phycocyanin, and phycoerythrin. Regarding the uses of red algae, it provides natural food for fish and other aquatic animals, and one of the most important commercial food in the region of Northeast Asia. Agar or agar-agar, a jelly-like substance which is used in pudding, dairy toppings, and other instant food products is extracted from red algae. Red algae are used as the source of food for thousands of years as they are high in vitamins, minerals, a rich source of calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. They are sources of dietary fiber as they have the ability to promote healthy circulation, lower bad cholesterol, and regulate blood sugar levels. They are also involved in nourishing your skin, boosting the immune system, and contributing to bone health. One of the examples of red algae is nori, and it is a dark colored seaweed used to wrap sushi. This is one of the most nutritious type of seaweed with a high protein and nutrition contents. Dulse is another example, and it is commonly chosen as a raw snack in Ireland or cooked with potatoes. These are the examples of red algae containing foods. Sushi is well-known food, and agar is also used as thickening agent in ice cream. And the last picture is Irish snack dulse. Last but not the least, Phaeophyta, known as a brown algae, is one of the popular algae for food, and kelp is an example. Kelp is a type of brown seaweed that usually grows in large underwater forests. While seaweeds can grow in nearly any type of saltwater or freshwater, kelp is found only in saltwater, typically along nutrition-rich cold, rocky coastline. There are about 30 different varieties of kelp. Kelp provides nutrition for a wide range of sea life. People also consume this leafy seaweed because of its high nutrition value. Now, this food has become common in other parts of the world due to in part to the popularity of kelp noodles. The following nutrition information on the right side is provided by USDA for half cup of raw kelp. Moreover, kelp contains many important vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, A, C, E, in addition to folate, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. It also contains small amount of theanine, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. Iodine is a mineral that's present in high amounts in kelp. Other minerals include calcium, magnesium, iron, sodium, and phosphorus. Therefore, consuming kelp in moderation is good for our thyroid and supports a healthy metabolism. Consuming kelp also can help with muscle function and recovery, good for our immune system, and lower the risk for strokes and other heart disease. Brown algae is also a great source of supplements. They are eaten as a vegetable in East Asia and elsewhere. It is consumed as a seaweed salad and also made with soup. Some companies use brown algae such as kelp to make plant-based ground meat or burger patty. They extract heme from the kelp and add to minced fish. Heme extracted from algae is good for our body because it is low in saturated fat, low in calories, and contain amino acids and minerals. And the company mentioned that it could be provided at a low price compared to the Beyond Meat. To sum up, algae is a good food source that benefits both humans and nature. We can use it in many purposes using different type of algae. Thank you for listening.